frame 10 and click the stopwatch for position, and that puts a keyframe at frame 10. We might as well put one at frame 0 as well, and that way the head doesn't move, which is what we want for the first 10 frames. Then we come through to frame 20. I'll just get rid of this parent layer, don't need that at the moment. We're now at frame 20, and we'll grab the null object and move it about the width of a standard null box, but you'll get a feel for how far the worm needs to move it in each cycle. And we're going to use the same technique that we used for the last for the cycle, which is to select all 3 keyframes, Control C, Control V. No, we can't actually. Okay, so we're going to come out now to frame 30 and click on a keyframe because we don't want any movement. So the way this null is to be animated is only half of the cycle is movement, the other half is static. So once we get a few here, you'll see what I mean. So it pauses, then moves, then pauses, then moves. So we'll come through now to frame 50, click on a keyframe, then frame 60, and we'll move it. Come through to 70, click on a keyframe, come through to 80 and move it. And we're holding down the shift button while we move, and that keeps us on a good horizontal line. We'll come across now to 90, click on a keyframe, 100 and move it. Just slide across a little bit, come across to 110, click on a keyframe, and 120, we'll move it, and 130, click on a keyframe, just type in here, just by clicking that box we can bring this up.